Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. If you guys haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing. It helps with the channel, and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptocurrencies. We're going to be looking at Matic in this video. And Matic on the daily chart is above the 9 EMA, which this is one of my favorite plays to break after her big downtrend. It just respects the 9 EMA. And once we close above the 9 EMA, then we kind of have a few doji candles, a few indecision candles. We don't know where it's going to go. Ideally, we also want decreasing volume. This is decreasing volume, but we have to have this close above the 9 EMA. If we close above the 9 EMA, then we can easily see it pop up, and then also with the break of the downtrend, we could easily see this back up towards the highs. Where our first price target would be 126. 126 would be our price target, our first, and then our second would be about 143. I'd definitely be selling those. Again, if Matic goes up, the rest of the market will probably go up. So we go ahead and take a look. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Ethereum's looking very good. The 9 EMA crossed the 20 EMA. That hasn't happened since back in May. Mid-May. Not much has happened when the first downtrend. So I do believe that we have a nice double bottom for Ethereum. Again, we might have a big crash here soon. The whales want to stop everybody out. If we go ahead and take like a Bitcoin, I feel like I've heard somewhere that Bitcoin is going to actually drop again. We've had red day. But again, I think Bitcoin's going to start losing its like toll on the market. I think Bitcoin's going to start really just going downhill from here. Considering that we have much better coins on the market. And with Matic actually popping up, we really have to figure out what's going to happen with this. I mean, we could break down, could break up. Nobody knows. That's the thing. Nobody knows. And we could easily, pop up, break right back down. Easily. That's what I think is very likely to happen. So I'm definitely going to take some profits at $1.26. But again, I will always make sure to look at the rest of the market. See what they're doing. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the Bitcoin shorts. Bitcoin shorts are down, which is good. That means people don't want to short Bitcoin. I'm not too sure where's. It's like average. It's nothing crazy. But again, I mean, Matic, let's go ahead and zoom in here to see if you guys are watching this early. We can go ahead and plan out a trade if you're interested. So again, we are just kind of consolidating within this pennant, not really just knowing where we're going to go. We haven't broke out. We did form a double top here. So we could easily come back down and retest this 110, maybe even come down and test this trend line. But as we're looking, this is also forming an ABC pattern / bull flag on the hourly chart for Matic. With increasing volume, we made a new high. If we can actually hold this, ideally we don't want to make a new low. Because again, this is at $1.14. We don't want to close below 113 today. If we do that, then we're below the 9 EMA, and then it's not looking good. But if we can close above this previous high, then we are all good. We are still pumping up right now with a lot of volume. So this is something to watch out for. And if we go ahead, I bet you $100 that if we take a Fibonacci retracement, that it pulled back to a Fibonacci retracement almost exactly. There it is, the 50%. I rest my case. But if we go ahead and use Fibonacci extensions, we might be able to see a potential price target for Matic. Again, that gives us a price target around $1.20. And that would match up perfectly with some other resistance levels. So it's all about knowing where to enter, where to stop. I mean, we have a doji candle to a reversal with decreasing volume, which is good. We have a lot of volume for some reason. Why? Over the past couple days that we've had a lot of volume. I'm not too sure. I don't really know why. Let's go ahead and see if that happens for any other coin. Not really. I don't know what's happening with Matic, but Matic's, I guess I need to look at the actual volume amounts. It's just getting an unusual amount of volume. That's what I'm really looking for. And nothing, it's weird. That's weird. I'm happy. I'm glad that it's happening. But again, we'll have to watch as the markets go on and what's really going to happen. Again, a Matic is going to be one that I'm selling. I'm going to hold some Matic for the long term. But again, I've already made a stupid amount of money on Matic. So, you know what? I'm just trying to get the rest of my money out there and put it into other investments. Even though I love Matic, Matic's a very good thing. I think that there's other opportunities like VeChain, XRP, and HBAR. I think they have bigger potential than Matic. So really, again, it's all about, we're still pumping up. We just don't want to fall, make a new low, which isn't. I mean, we do have some resistance here, a support here, so it is looking somewhat good. I really think that's about it for the day. If you guys are seeing this video, I mean, it could be, I mean, you missed your entry, the bounce off the 20 EMA. So, I mean, there's not really much you can do. I'm not going to tell you guys to buy here, sell here. But, yeah, we're holding this uptrend. Boom, boom, boom. And we made a higher high. So if we can just make a higher low, that would be good. And looks like we have, potentially. This could be the low. Looking for the break above this trend line. This could actually, might be able to bring down just a little bit. Yeah, if we do that, like, look at this. That managed to bounce off the trend line perfectly to the upside. Perfectly. So we might be able to just continue to push up. That's what I'm really looking for here. This is a perfect pullback, bull flag, run up, pullback, and retest. Guess, yeah, I guess this is just building hype to break this trend because it realizes it has to do something. That's what a lot of people want to do. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps with the channel, and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptocurrencies. And I'll also be posting a lot of other content on how to day trade and how to be successful in the market. Anyways, thank you guys. Peace.